Hello kids, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good and enjoy the video sessions. Students, yesterday we have done the theme that is plants part 1. And today we move forward to our next theme that is plants part 2. In this theme, we learn about plants, trees, etc. Now, students, I am going to start our today's topic that is trees. Now, let's begin. Trees resemble the woody plants with trunks. An example of tree is a wooden structure that people have in the entryway of their homes. Trees are different from plants, but both have a vascular structure with roots, stem and leaves. But plants have multiple soft or slightly woody stems, while trees have one hard, woody and tall trunk with few leaves or branches on lower section. Trees gives us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil and give life to the world's wildlife. Okay. Now open page number 49 of your icse Explorer book number 3. Students, you see in this page various types of trees. Parents, you point out to each one and after that your child tell the name of that tree. Okay, and also learn the spellings of tree. Okay, students. Now I recite a rhyme, that is rhyme on number n. Students, you also learn this rhyme from my study gear app. N 9 nice nurses. N is 9 nice nurses that need to rest. N is 9 nice nurses that need to rest. They have been working all night doing their best. They have been working all night doing their best. Now, students, make the letter N on the sheet of paper and after that paste the lentils in the shape of letter N. Okay, students. Now open page number 50 of your icse Explorer book number 3. In this page, students, you see the letter N. N is for nurse. N is for net. N is for nest. Students, firstly, you trace the letter N and after that you write the letter N without tracing. Now students, I show you the picture of tree trunk with branches. And students, you draw the leaves on each branch of tree. Okay. Now after this, open page number 51 of your icse Explorer book number 3. Students, you see different objects in this page. Students, you have to circle only that objects those start with letter N. Okay, I repeat it. Students, you circle only that objects those starts with letter N. Now open your workbook and open page number 16 and 42. On page number 16, students, you see the letter capital N, and on page number 42, you see the letter small n. Firstly, write the capital N and small n firstly on dots, and after that you write the capital N and small n without dots. Okay. Now students, I recite a rhyme, that is way up high in the apple tree. Way up high in the apple tree, 4 red apples smiled down at me. I shocked that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple, it was good. Way up high in that apple tree, 3 red apples smiled down at me. I shocked that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple, it was good. Way up high in that apple tree, 2 red apples smiled down at me. I shocked that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple, it was good. Way up high that apple tree, no more apples smiling down at me. I shocked that tree as hard as I could. Down came no apples, they are gonna for good. Okay. Now students, today we do for backward counting from 10 to 1. Firstly, I speak all the numbers with words like 10, T-E-N 10. Next is 9, N-I-N-E 9. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 6, S-I-X 6. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 2, T-W-O 2. 1, O-N-E 1. Students, you also learn the backward counting from 10 to 1 and also learn the words from 10 to 1. T-E-N 10 to 1. O-N-E 1. Now students, your homework is to do pages of I Can Explorer book number 3 and your workbook pages. And students, you also learn the rhyme, that is way up high in an apple tree. Okay, and learn the backward counting from 10 to 1. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.